Hi, my name's Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and welcome to 34 Stafford Street, Booval.
Picture perfect, times light-hearted, here we go again. So come on over.
As you've seen from the video so far, the home is high set. There's enough room to park a vehicle underneath the home, plus plenty of storage. Obviously the home, as you can see here, is sitting on nice concrete stumps. Hot water system is relatively new. The roof was changed out a few years ago. Main air conditioner is pretty new as well. The main core part of the home is clad in a vinyl cladding. From having a quick look, it appears as though the home does have weatherboards or chamfer boards underneath that cladding. But of course, please feel free to check for yourself. As we go through the home, you'll see, yes, the flooring could be updated, the window furnishings could be updated. The kitchen's not too bad. The kitchen could really benefit from just a little minor touch-up. But as we get further through the home, you'll notice that the bathroom could definitely use a bit of an update. Bedrooms are pretty good, but are missing their carpet or polished floors, whatever your preference may be.
We're gonna rise like a shooting star.
Whilst there can be no doubt that the home could benefit from a bit of a renovation, a flick of paint and a touch from somebody who knows what they're doing, the home itself appears to be in good sound condition and just simply waiting for that cosmetic reno.
Every time we meet the light, blue sparks start flying around the house, and we start to glow, setting fire to our souls, gently raising from the floor. We're gonna rise like a shooting star. Everybody can see us wherever we
I hope this video has been a little bit helpful for those of you that can't get here. For those of you that can get here but wanted to have a look first, I hope this has also been helpful. My name's Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich. Please feel free to give me a call on 0448 418 518 anytime.